Hello everybody, this is Ahmad from Super Language, and today I'm going to discuss the emphatic sounds. All we have covered so far are the soft sounds, and today is time for the emphatic sounds and for other three sounds that can be both soft and emphatic. Let's discuss those sounds. First of all, I'm gonna write down the soft sound that we've covered so far, then I'm going to write the emphatic form of it. Let's start with the sound S. The emphatic form. Again. Try to open your mouth to pronounce it correctly. The second sound is D. And the emphatic form is B. Again, D, B, D, B, D, B. The third sound is T. And the emphatic form is T. Again, T, 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 T. Fourth sound is Z. And the emphatic form is Z. Again, Z, 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 Z. The fifth sound is K. And the emphatic form is Q. Again, K, Q, K, Q, K, Q, K, Q. The sixth sound is H. Again, H. If you are familiar with the Spanish sounds, this is very good for you. Again, the last sound is R. If you are familiar with dotted R, this is very good for you. Again, R, R, R. Now it's time for the last three sounds that can be both soft and emphatic. And here it comes the rule. If these three sounds comes after a soft sound, so it will be soft. And if it comes after emphatic, it will be emphatic. That's very easy. So let's try the first sound, which is A. It's written like a tall stick. A like cat. And the emphatic form is A. A like father. If it comes after a soft sound like T, so it will be ta, soft. And if it comes after an emphatic sound like T, so it will be emphatic like ta. Again, ta, 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 ta. The next sound is the rolled R. It's written like that. Again, if it's followed by a soft sound, so it will come soft, like K. So it will be kir. And if it's followed by an emphatic sound like q, it will be qir, qir. Again, kir, qir, kir, qir, kir, qir. The last sound is l. It's written like that. And the same rule implies. It's followed by a soft sound like z. So it will be soft like thil. And it's followed by an emphatic sound like l. It will be emphatic like lil. Again, thil, dhil, thil, dhil, thil, dhil. It's very important for accurate pronunciation to look at the mirror and feel how the sounds are formed in your mouth. For more pronunciation tips, watch the link in the description below. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, just like, share, subscribe. Bye.